Hello and welcome to English Through Book Ideas. Today we are going shopping for clothes.
You will learn useful words and natural expressions that you can use in a clothing store.
Let us imagine that I am a customer named Emma.
And I am Alex, a sales assistant. Ready?
Ready. Excuse me, could you help me please?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I am looking for a casual shirt.
What color would you like?
I would like something in blue or white.
We have several shirts over here. This blue one is very popular.
It looks nice. Do you have it in a medium?
Let me check. Yes, here is a medium.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Certainly. The fitting rooms are at the back of the store.
Great, thank you.
Before we continue, let us review some useful phrases.
I am looking for means that you want to find or buy something.
For example, I am looking for a black jacket.
Or I am looking for a pair of jeans.
The question, what color would you like, asks about your preferred color.
You can answer, I would like it in red, or do you have this in green?
Now let us talk about size.
Common clothing sizes are extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large.
You can ask, do you have this in a small?
Or do you have a larger size?
You can also say, do you have a smaller size?
Let us return to the conversation. Alex, I tried on the shirt.
How does it fit?
It is a little tight around the shoulders.
Would you like to try a larger size?
Yes, please. Could I try a large?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. This one fits much better.
Does the length feel comfortable?
Yes, it does, but I'm not sure about the color.
We also have the same shirt in white and light gray.
Could I see the white one?
Certainly.
I like the white one better. It looks simple and clean.
It also matches many different outfits.
That is true. How much is it?
It's $35.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
That sounds good. What is the final price?
The final price is $28.
Great. I think I'll take it.
Excellent choice.
Let us pause and learn two important expressions.
How does it fit means, is the clothing the right size and shape for your body?
You can answer, it fits perfectly.
Or, it is too tight.
Or, it is too loose.
Too tight means the clothing feels too small.
Too loose means it feels too large.
Another useful expression is, I'll take it.
This means you have decided to buy the item.
Let us practice. Repeat after us.
I am looking for a casual shirt.
Do you have this in a medium?
Can I try it on?
Where are the fitting rooms?
It is a little too tight.
Do you have a larger size?
How much is it?
Is it on sale?
I'll take it.
Excellent! Now you're ready to ask about an item, its color, size, fit, and price.
In the next conversation, we will shop for a complete outfit and learn how to ask about returns, payment, and discounts. Now Emma wants to find a complete outfit for a dinner with friends.
Let us continue the shopping conversation.
Alex, I also need a pair of pants to go with this shirt.
What style are you looking for?
Something comfortable but a little formal.
These black trousers might be a good choice.
They look nice. What material are they made of?
They're made of cotton with a little stretch.
That sounds comfortable. Do they come in other colors?
Yes, they also come in navy blue and beige.
I think black will match the white shirt best.
I agree. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a size 8.
Here is a size 8. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please.
How do they feel?
They fit well around the waist, but they are a little long.
We can shorten them for you.
Is there an extra charge?
No, the alteration is free with your purchase.
That is helpful. I will take them too.
Would you like a belt to complete the outfit?
Maybe. How much is this brown belt?
It's $20, but you can get it for $15 when you buy the trousers.
Is that a special offer?
Yes, it's part of our Buy More and Save promotion.
I see. Can I return the belt if it does not match my shoes?
Yes, you can return it within 30 days if you keep the receipt and the tags.
Can I get a refund?
Yes, as long as the item has not been worn or damaged.
Great. I will take the belt as well.
Wonderful. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. I'm ready to pay.
You can pay at the counter over there.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash, credit cards, and mobile payments.
I will pay by credit card.
Please insert or tap your card.
Done.
Would you like a printed receipt or an emailed receipt?
An emailed receipt, please.
Certainly. Your total is $78.
Thank you.
Here's your bag. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you for your help.
Now, let us review the most useful vocabulary from this conversation.
Trousers or pants are clothes worn from the waist down.
Material means what the clothing is made from, such as cotton, wool, silk, or denim.
Waist is the area around the middle of your body.
An alteration is a change made to clothing so that it fits better.
A receipt is the paper or digital record showing what you bought and how much you paid.
A refund is money returned to you after you return an item.
Tags are the small labels attached to new clothing.
Let us practice some important questions.
What style are you looking for?
What material is it made of?
Does it come in other colors?
What size do you usually wear?
Is there an extra charge?
Can I return this item?
Can I get a refund?
Do you accept credit cards?
Now it's time for a quick speaking challenge.
Imagine you're shopping for a jacket. Answer these questions aloud.
What kind of jacket are you looking for?
What color would you like?
What size do you need?
What would you say if the jacket were too small?
How would you ask about the price?
How would you ask whether it's on sale?
Here is one possible answer.
I'm looking for a casual black jacket in a medium. Can I try it on?
This one is too small. Do you have a larger size?
How much is it and is it on sale?
Very good. Try creating your own answer with a different item, color, and size.
You can choose a dress, a sweater, a pair of jeans, or a coat.
Repeat the conversation several times until the phrases feel natural.
The more you speak aloud, the more confident you will become.
Thank you for learning with English through Book Ideas.
If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another English learner.
Write one sentence in the comments using the phrase, I'm looking for.
For example, I'm looking for a comfortable blue sweater.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.